Oi gente, tudo bem com vocês? Hey guys, I hope all is well with you today. I'm excited to share another spot in Brazil with you. From the state of Piauí, just outside the city of Teresina, we're going to check out Balneário Chapadinha Sul. Let's check this place out. Vamos lá.
The park is just a short drive outside of Teresina on BR 316. The park offers several pools with play areas and slides. It's guaranteed fun for everyone. The park is open on weekends and holidays. They offer daily rates and reasonable memberships. Food is amazing and affordably priced. Look at these two plates with two choices of meats for just 15 reais. And churros too.
Hey guys, I had a great time today at Balneário Chapadinha Sul. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao.